Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this one I'm going to be talking about the new Tammi X Makeup Revolution palette. This one is a Tropical Carnival Shadow Palette, and this is how the palette looks like, of course, from the outside. As you can see, OM to the G, the packaging is stunning. So this is how the palette looks like, of course, and I'll just open it so you guys can see. So here we have all the shades in here. So this is how they look like, of course, so beautiful. One thing I love about this palette is that they have the names of the shades printed at the back of the palette. So I'll show you what I mean. So right here you can see you have those names right there. So those are the shade names, of course. I think this is quite a great idea actually, because I mean, do you guys keep this? Because I lose them, you know. So yeah, and I can understand why, you know, she did not have them in here, because of course she wanted to give us like a bigger pan, so more product, and have the names at the back. So that's quite cool actually. So anyway, we're just gonna go ahead and try to create a look using some of these shades, which I'm quite excited. So if you guys are interested, then of course I keep on watching. All right guys, so first I'm going in with this shade right here, and I'm going to pack this one right here, and then later on I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. Alright guys, so here we have, of course, the first shade packed on the eyes, and this is how it is looking like. It's quite a beautiful color actually. I really like this color. I just love the amount of payoff that you get from this shade. Look at that, it's so beautiful. The only thing, of course, I can see is you do get a bit of a kickback right there, and on the other eye as well, but it doesn't bother me too much. So next up, I'm taking this color right here, and I'm going to put this one just above the first color that we put, just above that, and I'm going to try to drag this one just around here. Alright guys, so next I'm taking this bright yellow color right here. Just gonna pack it around here. And I'm gonna go in with of course the previous brush that I used, and just buff the edges here. Now for the lid, I'm going to apply this beautiful green shimmer. Ooh, that color is popping. So moving on to the bottom lower lashes, I'm going to go in with these two colors right here. So like that. So guys, for the inner corners, I'm taking this and just pack it. Oops, right here. Wow, this is super pigmented, you guys. So pigmented. Look at that. Whoa. Okay. I think I'll bring it just a little bit down here. Not so far, just right there, and just a little bit up here. We don't want to overdo it. So this is how the eyes looks like so far. Of course, we're almost at the end. What I'm gonna do now, of course, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some black eyeliner, and of course apply some mascaras, and then pop some lashes, and I will be right back. Alright you guys, so we are at the end of the video, and this is how the eyes are looking like. OM to the G. I really love this look, you guys. I like how everything turned out. I love the color combo that I chose for this look. They look beautifully together, if I say so, of course. Can I just say that the shimmers in this palette, the two shimmers at least I've used in this palette, they're absolutely stunning. The yellow in the inner corner, it's popping. Of course, the one on the lid is beautiful. Nothing to complain there. They worked beautifully. The only thing I would say with the matte shades is that they had kickbacks, of course. If that bothers you, it's something you want to think about, but for me it doesn't bother me as long as the shades are beautifully, they blend well, they're not patchy. I'm good to go. So yeah, and the one that I've used, of course, the matte, they were not patchy. they blended beautifully, even though they had some kickback. Again, it doesn't bother me. Anyway, I hope you guys found this video quite useful. So yeah, in the upcoming video, I think I may be doing some more looks using other colors that I haven't, of course, used today in this look. So make sure that you look out for that. And yeah, if you guys love colors, I think you're gonna find this palette quite useful, because boy, you get many different beautiful colors in here. You can create so many looks. As you can see, I'm wearing pink. I could have even gone for a pink look today, but of course I chose to go green. But I don't regret it, because the green turned out to be a really good look actually, so that's quite nice. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe down below if you haven't done so already, and do turn on that notification bell of yours so you are notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Take care, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye for now.